And good evening, everyone. I'm Rod Carter. Thanks so much for joining us on this Saturday night. Tonight, there are new concerns over the coronavirus pandemic here in Florida. Today, state health officials reported the largest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases since this pandemic began. The Department of Health now reporting 4,049 cases today alone, and that brings the total now to 93,797 cases across the state of Florida. At least 3,144 people have died in Florida from the coronavirus, and that includes a 17-year-old boy from Pasco County, the state's youngest person to die from the disease. Tonight, Tampa has the second most cases of any city here in the state, only trailing Miami, that's been hardest hit by that pandemic. Mayor Jane Castor now requiring everyone in the city of Tampa to wear a mask when they're indoors, I should say, outside of their homes. 8 on your side's Justin Checker joining us now live in South Tampa, where some bars have shut down temporarily because of these new cases. Justin?
Rod, good evening. Today, Governor Ron DeSantis again downplayed the increase in new cases, saying Florida is better off now compared to back in April. But the lack of loud music or drinks being served at the bar behind me are signs this pandemic isn't over. Tonight, several bars on South Howard Avenue are closed after some staff members tested positive this week for COVID-19. It's a much different scene than the packed patios 8 on your side recorded 8 nights ago.
You do hear reports about, people just jam-packed in some of these places. That is not what we're looking to do.
2 weeks into phase 2 of reopening Florida, another single-day record for new infections. Governor DeSantis says the vast majority are asymptomatic young adults.
Even with testing increasing or being flat, the number of people testing positive is accelerating faster than that.
Hillsborough County hit a 16% positivity rate with the addition of more than 400 new cases. Over in Pinellas County, more than 280 new cases to go along with a 14.5% positivity rate. In Tampa and St. Pete, the new requirements for wearing a mask indoors went into effect Friday night.
I've not preempted locals from doing, what they think is right.
The governor reminded Floridians,
if you can't social distance, it's recommended to wear a facial covering.
He says it's better to trust people to make good decisions rather than issue a statewide order.
I think that tends to work better than to mandate this, mandate that.
As cases of coronavirus continue to climb in Tampa Bay, the head coach of the Bucks, Bruce Arians, offered this advice to slow the spread.
You could spread COVID-19 without knowing it. Wear a mask, wash your hands, keep your distance from each other, stay strong, and go Bucks.
So like the coach just said, wearing a mask helps slow the transmission of the virus to others by people who don't already know they're infected. Live tonight in South Tampa, I'm Justin Checker, 8 on your side.